Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get NordVPN free trial for 30 days. Now, first, you should go to the link that I'll leave down below in the description, and this will give you 70% off on all plans of NordVPN. You can try NordVPN for free for a complete 1 month, 30 day, and you can also get 30-day money back guarantee. So let's say that you choose any one of the plans that they offer. You can try it for 29 days, and in the day number 30, you can go and cancel your subscription, and by this way, they will not take any money of you and you can get the complete trial for free. Now let's click on get the deal and see how much money will you actually pay if you subscribe to any one of their plans. Now here on the top left side, you have here this section, you have the 1 month plans. For sorry, you'll not have any discounts on the 1 month plans, but this is not our purpose of the video. Our purpose is to get the free trial. You can also see here the 1 year plans. You can get up to 61% off on the complete plan, and for the 2 years plan, you can get up to 70% off. So now let's say that I will try to choose any one of these plans. I will choose this one right here, the plus, which is the most popular. Here, as you can see, you will have this promo code added, Techno Galaxy. And down below right here you have the payment method. You can add any payment method that you need to use. Now you need to know something. Once you enter the details of your payment method, they will actually withdraw any money that you have entered. So let's say that here I will pay $120. I will pay the $120. But here is the tip. If you want to get your money back, you can get them back 100%, but before 30 days period end. So here, as you can see on the top right corner, here it says that you have 30 days money back guarantee. So you have to talk to the support, tell them exactly that you want to take your money back and cancel the subscription, and they will get your money back to your payment method and your subscription will be canceled. You can use this NordVPN on your iPhone, on your mobile, PC, laptop, etc. You can use it for streaming, browsing, or even subscription for specific services that require you to be in a specific country. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.